The eGreen Survival Waterproof Match Kit provides storm-resistant matches that reliably ignite even in heavy rain and strong wind, making it a reassuring backup in harsh conditions. Each reusable metal tin keeps the long-burning matches and striker sheets protected and organized, so they are easy to find and ready to use in an emergency. The included thick waxed tinder rope offers multiple long-lasting strands, giving you extended burn time to build a steady fire with damp or chunky fuel. The separate bundle of fine waxed tinder cords catches a spark quickly and burns long enough to light kindling, which is especially helpful when you are cold or tired. All of the tinder materials are natural, low odor, and free from harsh chemicals, so they work well for regular camping as well as indoor-ready emergency kits. The compact size and durable packaging make this kit simple to stash in a backpack, glove compartment, or home drawer, adding dependable fire-starting capability without taking much space.